How to protect your online accounts from hackers. Step-by-step guide. Online accounts have become a central part of our daily lives. Email, social media, banking, cloud storage, and work platforms all depend on secure logins. If one account is hacked, it can lead to serious problems such as identity theft, financial loss, and privacy violations. In this video, you'll learn how to protect your online accounts from hackers using simple, practical steps. Let's start with the most important factor: passwords. Many people still use weak passwords such as 123,456 or password. These are easy for hackers to guess. A strong password should be long, unique, and unpredictable. Use a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using personal information such as names, birthdays, or addresses. Never reuse the same password for multiple accounts. If one account is compromised, reused passwords allow hackers to access others. This is why password managers are useful. Password managers generate and store strong passwords securely, so you don't have to remember them. Next, let's talk about two-factor authentication. Also known as 2FA, two-factor authentication adds an extra step when logging in. In addition to your password, you must enter a code sent to your phone or generated by an app. Even if hackers know your password, they cannot access your account without this second factor. Always enable 2FA on important accounts such as email, banking, and cloud storage. Now let's discuss phishing attacks. Phishing is when hackers send fake emails or messages pretending to be trusted companies. These messages try to trick you into clicking malicious links or entering your login information. Always check the sender's address carefully. Never click suspicious links or download unknown attachments. If a message creates urgency, such as your account will be locked, be extra cautious. Visit the official website directly instead of clicking links. Another important step is keeping your devices updated. Software updates often include security patches that fix vulnerabilities. Ignoring updates leaves your devices exposed to known threats. Enable automatic updates whenever possible. Next, let's talk about device security. Use a lock screen password, fingerprint, or face recognition on your devices. If your phone or laptop is stolen, this prevents unauthorized access. Install security software if recommended for your platform. Avoid downloading apps from unknown sources. Now let's discuss public Wi-Fi risks. Public Wi-Fi networks in cafes, airports, and hotels are often insecure. Hackers can intercept data on these networks. Avoid logging into sensitive accounts on public Wi-Fi. If necessary, use a trusted VPN service to encrypt your connection. Email security is especially important. Your email account is often the key to resetting other passwords. Protect it with a strong password and 2FA. Check your email security settings regularly. Let's talk about account monitoring. Many platforms allow you to see recent login activity. Review this information occasionally. If you see unfamiliar locations or devices, change your password immediately. Now let's discuss social media security. Limit the amount of personal information you share publicly. Hackers use public information to guess passwords and answer security questions. Set your privacy settings carefully. Financial account protection requires extra attention. Enable transaction alerts and monitor statements regularly. Report suspicious activity immediately. Good security habits make a big difference. Log out from shared computers. Avoid saving passwords on public devices. Be cautious when installing browser extensions. Review app permissions regularly. Now let's cover common mistakes. Using weak passwords, ignoring updates, and trusting suspicious messages are the biggest risks. Another mistake is thinking it won't happen to me. Everyone is a potential target. Security is about reducing risk, not eliminating it completely. In summary, protecting your online accounts is about layers of security. Strong passwords, two-factor authentication, cautious behavior, and regular updates work together. These small steps can prevent major problems. Your digital identity is valuable. Protect it. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next How to Tech Guide.